and today we're going to be playing Ragdoll Engine. So let's get started. Sorry guys, I have a bit of a cold. Yes. Oh my god, I am so laggy. Yeah. This is my new avatar. Hope you like it. And let's fall. Basically. Wait. Let's press this. Oh my god. Why? Let me. Okay. How about we just go down? Someone in the chat just said you hot dog. Oh my god. These people are rude. Jesus. Oh my god. They are saying some nasty things. Okay. Oh my god, no. I'm so late. I'm levitating. Uh, uh. Oh my god, that's rude. Oh my god. They literally treat me like that. So you let me stand up. Literally. Okay, I said that. Okay, well then babysitting. That girl just got dragged. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. These are all twins. They're twins, and that person's twins. Oh my god. Okay. And I might end it in 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna end this video in 1, 2, 3. And bye guys. Oh my god, how do I yeah. Oh my god, how do I even end this? Okay, bye guys.